The Philippine Army is finalizing preparations for the burial of the late President Ferdinand Marcos at dalibingan ng mga bayani.
Halos malinis na yung area. Again, sementado na. Mga tiles na lang ang kulang siguro ngayon.
Army spokesperson Benjamin Howe says finishing touches could be completed in a week. The burial will be similar to that of President Elpidio Quirino, who received military honors instead of a state funeral. In a state funeral, there's a national day of mourning and a public viewing of the coffin at the House of Representatives, Senate, and Malacanang. A soldier's burial is more private. Marcos will be buried at the libingan without fanfare. Generals will carry his coffin. There will be a 21-gun salute, final blessing, awarding of the Philippine flag to the Marcos family, and burial at 12 high noon. Governor Imee Marcos says they will take President Duterte's lead on the issue.
Sa akin personal, hindi naman bonggang-bonggang funeral na sinasabing heroes welcome and state funeral at ewan ko pa yung mga iniisip ng tao. Sa akin, yung gusto ng tatay ko was a simple soldier's burial.
In the meantime, the Philippine Army is stepping up security at the libingan. No one can enter the cemetery unless the person is related to the dead. Some from the anti-Marcos camp are planning to occupy the cemetery on the day of the burial. But the Army says this will not be allowed. The Philippine National Police will also secure roads leading to the libingan. Authorities will only allow inside Marcos supporters during burial day. The Army is appealing for calm from those opposing the burial.
Siyempre, gusto rin namin i-allow yung mga tao express yung kanilang nararamdaman. Pero ganun pa man, may mga batas din kasi tayo dapat sundin.
Howe says the burial will happen before the year ends. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.